And in Colombia, widespread demonstrations have been organized against the so-called National Development Plan implemented by President Juan Manuel Santos. Natalia Margarita now in Bogota with more.
Following a nationwide truckers' strike of more than 20 days, today public employees from multiple sectors are demonstrating against the National Development Plan that was recently submitted by the government of Juan Manuel Santos. This plan is supposed to set the policy framework as well as the budget distribution for the next 4 years. Among the workers that are demonstrating today are the ones from the public education sector, the health system, oil sector, but also the ones from the judicial branch. The unions from all those sectors have denounced that as the government is currently facing a financial crisis due to the drop in international oil prices, now the government, as a way out of this crisis, is taking measures that affect the public employees' salaries. But also, and this is something really important to take into account, is that the government has already cut from the National Development Plan budget something around 90 billion Colombian pesos, a number that was cut from education and health system. And this is something that the workers demonstrating today have also been constantly denouncing. The situation in the oil sector, for instance, seems to be even more critical, as according to Edwin Castaño, who's the president of the oil sector union, 10,000 workers have already been fired during the course of the last month, in what have been labeled by the workers as a labeled massacres. After today demonstrations that will take place not just here in Bogota, but in many other main cities of Colombia, the oil sector workers will analyze the possibility of starting an indefinite strike. This is the latest information from Bogota. Natalia Margarita, Telesur.